Picture this. You're at a friend's house when disaster strikes. It's embarrassing. The carpet fibers are soaking up the liquid as we speak. But here's some good news. Thanks to modern technology, it's easier than ever to keep white carpets looking bright and fresh, even if you do spill an entire glass of orange juice, as I just did. If you're particularly worried about stains, be sure to look for carpets that are backed by robust stain and soil warranties. Certain carpets, like those with solution-dyed fibers, are designed to resist even the toughest messes from children, pets, or the aforementioned orange juice. When spills do happen, be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines or call your local showroom. In this case, I came prepared.
Be sure to floss, don't scrub. Start with a wet towel. If that doesn't work, add a drop or two of dish soap.
Thank you for your help. In fact, your local showroom can help you at every step of the way, including finding the right carpet, installing it in any room of your home, and teaching you how to maintain your carpet for long-lasting results. Hey, all that is well and good, but can you please clean up my carpet?